What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today is finally the day you have been waiting for. We're here at the Firestone tire shop. We're gonna get some tires for that Hellcat, some sticky tires. That way we can hit up the drag strip. So they're gonna be in within an hour, so we're gonna take them to our buddy shop and we're gonna install them ourselves. And then we're gonna do some ripping with the old tires first, I think.
Oh yeah, we're gonna burn them tires out.
Them old tires, and then we're gonna install the new ones and then head to the drag strip.
That's right.
Car is pretty dirty right now, but she is pretty, boys. Look at these tires. Let's look at these right here. These are called Pirelli P0 Nero all season. We're going with the summer tire because I heard there's a night and day difference between these, and they're a lot stickier. You get a lot more grip, and it's not rated directly for a racing drag strip, but it's a lot stickier tire, and we want something to daily also and have really good grip when we're ripping it around town and stuff.
Oh look, the food truck is here.
Food truck. Early morning, guys. We're getting we need a horn like that.
Yes sir, because these, man, we are breaking traction.
Look at the rear ones, they're even worse. They're like really bald.
Dude, we're breaking traction like every gear, dude. I'm serious.
Yeah,
like,
it torques in the back. So we actually have to, I looked inside this trunk and look what we got here. We totally forgot that box with that wheel in.
Yeah, we did swap our wheel out.
Yeah, it's gonna be the next video we're gonna put out, because we're gonna try to put out this drag racing video for you guys first.
Yeah, we're gonna put out the drag, so it may be a little bit swapped.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to go drop this off at our buddy's Good to Go tire, because our tires are not gonna fit in here with this box. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it off and come back and pick our tires
up.
we're
gonna see if all 4 of the new tires are gonna fit in here. But today's video is gonna be more of like a vlog type deal, since we've never done a vlog, so it's gonna be a little bit different, but different. Yeah, we got our glass fixed. I mean, we are ready to go to the drag strip pretty much, guys. So
as soon as them tires get put on,
it's gonna be a lit video. That's all I got to say. But we're gonna go to the tire shop, drop that rim off, and then we're gonna head back and see if we can stuff all them 4 wheels or all 4 of them tires into this big old boat that we got here.
Oh, it's a boat.
Yo, I think we should call this thing the boat. I was kidding,
big boat.
It's got the Hellcat name. It's got the Hellcat to it, but we still don't got the badges on it, so we'll have to throw those on.
Exposed, dude.
Get to work, boy. We're here to drop a wheel off.
How much for this one?
Oh, the Hellcat. I might keep it for myself.
No,
I get a signature myself.
All right, so now it is roasting time. Tire roasting time, right?
Yeah, let's go roast.
We're gonna go try to find a safe spot to roast these tires where nobody's there, an empty parking lot or something. Performance pages.
You can tune it to 500 to 700 horsepower. You can tune the, drive modes. Come here. You can tune it to transmission, the power, the suspension. It's basically a tuner.
Yeah, pretty much. Drive it in 500 mode.
I mean, default. I'm gonna go default setup. Go to 500. What's the difference?
You feel a big difference?
Not really. I mean, I kind of do. It's not as torquey as...
Yeah, it's not as touchy like on the throttle. That's pretty cool though. Put it back in 700. Alright, so we actually made it back home, and we're probably just gonna go ahead and take off the wheels off the car, throw them in the back of the truck and swap them out that way, because we're not gonna have enough room inside this vehicle. So
yeah, there's no room, so we're gonna go ahead and pull them off and take them to the shop, and it'll be a lot faster and a lot easier over there. So let's go ahead and pull them off real quick and be done.
Shoo-wee. Now that's crazy right there. I think that's that one tire that was on the front that started getting rubbed by when it was wrecked.
Yeah.
But dang, son, that sucker got torn up apart right there.
I didn't do that. Yeah, these are done in the back, as you can see.
Alrighty, guys, so we got all 4 of the wheels in the back there. Now we are heading to pick up our new tires, I guess.
Let's get it. We're ready.
Yep.
We're ready to hit that drag strip up.
For sure, man. I can't wait. All right, we got to load it up. Now we're going to talk about them as soon as we get back to our buddy's tire shop. We'll tell you a little bit more details on them bad boys. All right, we are here. We're going to go ahead and take all of them off and just go ahead and swap them over. Good job. guys. We got them all loaded up. But man, these things got some meat on them, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
They're ready. Close that gate. I'm gonna lock them up. All right, so we are back at the house. The tires look amazing. And some of you may ask why we went with this type of tire, because it is a sticky compound. It's mainly a summer tire, that's what it is. It's a Pirelli P0 Summer. It's rated Y for high speed, so it is a high speed tire and it is pretty sticky. So this is gonna give us some good grip at the drag strip and on the street, and it's an all around, look at it, just look at it. It's really good in the rain. It's almost like an all season tire, but it's mainly for summer, so it is a sticky compound tire. And I heard these tires do really great on these Hellcats, so let's put them to a test. Let's throw them on the car. Let's go test it out on the road, and then drag strip afterwards. Yeah.
But that's the size of them. I wish we would have went with a 285, a little bit wider.
Go 285.
But we couldn't get them the same day, so we were like,
get them. We'd have to wait till like 3 days.
Yeah. So as you can see, 106Y. Pirelli, man, these are some nice tires, and we paid $900 with taxes for all the tires.
For all 4
so
tires,
not bad.
We installed them ourselves at our buddy's place, so we got a really good deal there.
So let's go ahead and slap these suckers on here and take for the streets.
I'm ready.
So all 4 wheels are on. Let's go ahead and drop her down. But man, look at that. Look, that's just beef right there, guys. That is some straight up beef. So this is a great necessary upgrade right here. Woo-wee! Look at them suckers right there. Just picking up all sorts of little pieces of crumbs. Oh, hold up. Oh yeah, good bit of rocks. Yeah, they're sticky.
Really good grip.
Oh yeah, much better.
Much better.
This thing is ready for the drag strip for sure.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and pick up our merch. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we got some new designs coming. They are going to be sick. Little sneak peek, guys. Not gonna show you too much of that. Just wait, it'll be this afternoon, so there's a little sneak peek. Man. All right, so we just got back from checking up on our shirts getting made. I think they'll be ready this afternoon, so we're getting ready currently for the drag strip, and it is not gonna be ready until we put these Hellcat badges on here, which we got our old fender here, and we're gonna go ahead and heat gun it. Probably use some floss, or you're gonna use a different method?
I'm just gonna use just a spatula. I'm gonna use this clip.
Spatula, Krabby Patty spatula.
Clip remover right here should do the trick.
Yeah, once it gets hot enough, that'll...
Feel that metal. Is it hot right around that area?
It's getting hot. It's not too hot though, but we definitely want to throw on both of them badges there. We got the other one in here. But man, I'm getting excited, man. I want to see how good we can do at the drag strip. And where's the badge? Oh, okay, the badge is here. Oh, it's in great condition, man. There's nothing wrong with it. Interior is still a little bit filthy. We have not gotten to that, but we will take care of that very soon. As long as the exterior looks great, which it does. Them brand new tires on it, man. We've been testing it out on the streets. And man, them suckers just grip. Coming off.
Yep, came off with the glue. That's what you want right there. See, on this one, we're gonna have to put some 3M, but on this one, it's still good.
You gonna stick it on there?
So I'm just gonna throw it like this.
And just wherever it lands, that's where it's gonna stay?
I think they go like right here.
Yeah, either there or one. I seen one guy running it there.
Yeah, I might put it right here. She's a Hellcat, boys.
Officially, man. She wasn't before, but now she is. Yep. So let's go ahead and stick on the other side. Dang, dude, I love how that looks, actually.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
I mean, now you know not to mess with us on the streets.
Yeah, don't mess with us no more.
The kitty's gonna bite you. All right, so the kitty is placed on this side also. We got the helmet in the back, because you gotta have a helmet, because you know we're gonna be going fast. All right, we are pulling up to the drag strip, and you know I gotta have my race essentials. I think I'm gonna start every drag race with the Slim Jim and my cheese, man. What's your essential?
Red Bull right here. Red Bull's where it's at.
Oh man, oh man. Get you alert, get you hype. But we are ready to go. We are pulling in. We're about to have some fun, guys. Are you ready? How ready are you on a scale of 1 to... Broke a little bit of traction. Were you running 8.4?
Yeah, I'm gonna run it again.
What happened there? You want to use launch control?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Alright. Let her rip. Twin turbo. Drop it down to
25 psi on each rear tire. I'm gonna get in the right lane because the left lane slipped way too much over there. So
yes, sir. Not too bad though. The Corvette was getting some great times. Once you get used to this one, I think you'll be able to figure it out.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to see what's the best way to launch and stuff.
Yeah. Finally ran at least a decent time, a 7.8. We are out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that launch felt good.
Did you use launch control?
No, just using my feet.
Are you using paddle shifters at all?
Nope, nothing.
How are you warming the tires? Just with traction control off and then you turn it on?
Yep, turn it back on. 7.8. I can beat it. I know I can.
7.8.
He's running 98. I'm telling you, it's a 9.6 or 7.6 car all day long. You're running 7.8, but right there is what's killing him.
The launch?
The 60 foot. That's it. That's it.
Let me launch it. Alrighty guys, so it's my first time launching the Hellcat, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we run a better time than 7.8. Alrighty guys, so we actually stopped for a second. We are here to pick up some new merch, some fire merch. Oh my goodness, guys.
Pull it up.
Now after this, the red one goes on. Red. Only got a limited quantity of these, so if you want, you better cop as soon as possible. Very last shirt right here, do the honors. Right, oh yeah. Don't come on.
All right, so we are back from the drag strip. Man, it was a lot of fun. This car did really good with these tires. I know you can just tell by right here, all the burnout rubber.
Dang, that's crazy.
We used them up, but they're still like brand new. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow when we talk about the new merch that's out, because it is pretty late. So man, that stuff is gonna be super fire, and we show you everything and when we're gonna do the drop, and we do have a limited quantity. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
All right, so it is the next day here. I want to run you guys through the new fire merch. We got the Challenger grill with the Goon Squad written right there. Man, these are very limited, so be sure to get yours. Also, check this one out, guys. We got the Triple R Rebuild Race Repeat. Bam! We got all the builds right there on the back. The Mustang, Corvette, Hellcat, and we got the Chevy for the Camaro ZL1 there. Man, these are fire, man. And also, check out his shirt. Bam, dude, those are so fire, man. Yeah, stand next to the ZL1, bro. Look, what? No, dude.
Fire, man, that merch is so fire.
Dude, that merch is fire,
These are not your normal t-shirts. These are very high quality. They're very comfortable. They're very soft. I am wearing a large right now, and I am 6'1", so as you can see, this fits me. I can also wear a medium, but it's gonna be like up to here. So just when you order, just make sure you know what you order. I'm 6'1", and I'm wearing a large right now. It fits really great for me. So yep. We only have, how much shirts do we have?
Like 400 shirts right now.
We only have 400 shirts, guys, so we don't have much. This is our first batch of our custom merch, and man, this stuff is insanely high quality, very comfortable stuff. Man, I just love this shirt right
Yeah, I know,
here.
I can't wait to wear it.
Actually, the first few people that buy the shirts, we're gonna actually throw in a sticker, one of these OG stickers. We don't have much left, so you better order as soon as possible, because these are gonna go quick. We don't have much of these. These are the OG stickers that we have left. These are pretty awesome. So if you haven't, go follow us on Instagram at Goon Squad to get notified as soon as we drop this merch. It's gonna be on our story, and you're just gonna swipe up, or you can go check out goonsquad.com and see if they made it to the website.
So with that being said, guys, be sure to copy some merch, support your boys, get you one before they sell out. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Be sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.